Alright, let's finish up this fabrication tip. As you can see, I really screwed up the threads. And those probably wouldn't work out so well. Why did I do that? You know, like, freaking thing just slipped. So it gets a little stiff in here, but see, it's removing the burr right now. Little pieces of metal should fall off it. It's pretty sharp, but you can still get it back on there. Let's try the next one. And that's the whole trick, is if you just cut it but you didn't put that on there, it's gonna be a bitch. That one came off easy. There's a little sharp edge. You could file at those edges if you want, or you could just cut the next mechanic.